Welcome back to my channel. It is 2019, January 30th, 2019, and I have been MIA from YouTube, and I don't want to say that this is my I'm back video, but you know, when you film in January, it kind of sets the tone, So in this video, basically, I'm going to be talking about my skincare. A lot of people ask me about my skincare, and then I'll have a little snippet of my everyday makeup look. This is what it is. It's very quick. I actually just killed this in about 20 minutes. So yes, and you guys, I know my bun it's very tilted right now, and I don't know what to do about it. It is what it is. This is going to be an exciting year. I plan on doing a lot of different filming. I live by myself completely right now, and I will do an apartment tour, so it's actually overdue. And I've literally just been kind of staying away from YouTube because I've been in a lot of different spaces, a lot of transitions. I want to jinx it and say I'll be filming every single day, but I'll be filming and I'll be posting. And for those of you guys who have stuck around this whole time, thank you for the constant support. Even when I was off of YouTube, I definitely saw you guys' comments. I would like it or comment back if I had a chance to, but you guys, I really do appreciate your constant support. So first thing first, when it comes to skincare, I drink a lot of water. For it to be 10:30 right now, I killed 2 bottles and I still have a whole gallon to go through. And I'm always in the bathroom, but it's okay because you're detoxing that body. I have to drink my detox water, which is going to be this right here. So I drink detox water 3 times a week. I drink it Monday through Wednesday, and I include cucumbers, lemon, lime, mint, and sometimes I put ginger in here as well. But I definitely drink over a gallon of water a day. It's all about your intake, because whatever you're feeding your body, your skin is going to reflect. Whether you eat bad, your body is going to reflect. So aside from water, this is the only thing I use to wash my face. This bar of soap, it's an acne soap. You can't find it anywhere. So this is a new business venture for me. I'm going to be selling these bars of soap. They're going to be really good for acne prone skin, sensitive skin, oily skin. If you have very dry skin, I do not recommend it. It's very good for men and women. I've tried it on some of my male friends and they've liked it, and some of my female friends and they've liked it. So it works for sure. I will give you guys more details on this soap very soon, very soon, but it's definitely happening. I'm going to be selling these bars of soap. I've been using it for 4 years, morning and night for 4 years. That's crazy. Yeah, for 4 years. If you guys are actually interested in this soap, let me know. Leave comments down below. I get this from Walmart. I used to get the Oxy, I think they're called Oxy pads. So this is the Walmart brand of Oxy pads. It's just about $2 cheaper. It does the same exact thing, and I love the cooling sensation of it all. Acne prone skin or anything, or if you have a lot of acne, this cleansing pad is definitely going to help aid that. It gives you a really nice canvas, as well as it minimizes your pores. So I definitely recommend it. It's also very inexpensive, and I use it as a toner. So that's what I would use. And I have 2 facial creams that I use. In the mornings, I'm always going to be using my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I'll also show you a little close-up of that. This is actually the bigger tub. I get the bigger tub because I use it year-round during in my mornings. And you guys, I'm gonna say this: when you use the facial cream right after the cleansing pad, it is the best feeling in the whole world. It literally wakes me up. It wakes me up in the morning. It's a different experience. Now, if you're gonna go ahead and try it, please leave me a comment down below and tell me if I'm tripping or not, because it's a bomb feeling. Take a little dot and then kind of spread it throughout my face, and then just kind of massage it in my face. It gives my skin really good hydration. At nighttime, I would use my seaweed night cream, and this is going to be from Marta Badescu. Very inexpensive, and it's a good nighttime cream. It just kind of calms me and you know, gives my skin all the moisture that it needs as well. When your skin is on sleep mode, that's when it's really working. So you want to put really good products. If you use a lot of products, you want to be very careful with the products that you use at nighttime, because when your skin is at rest mode, that's when it's really absorbing those products. Specific night cream is good for combination, oily, and sensitive skin. So I definitely recommend it for pretty much all skin type. Even if you have dry skin, I feel like it gives you enough moisture. So after my creams, I always use my avocado eye cream, and this one's actually from Kiehl's as well. The avocado eye cream treatment is just something that I started using because I read up on something that it's good to take preventative actions. So that's what I do, and I really do like the eye cream because after I apply it and then I put makeup on top of it, boy, I'm telling you, my concealer be laid. My under eye concealer, you cannot tell me nothing about that. It literally helps my, like, it's crazy how skincare really does shape your face with or without makeup, like, period. That's all. You guys, please do not avoid your lips. I had to lick my lips before I said that. But please do not avoid your lips, especially during the winter time, because you need to be giving your lips some TLC. So what I do for my lips is a MAC lip scrub. I actually got this from Gratis when I was actually working at MAC, but this lip scrub is popping, like it's bomb, and it's very quick. It's quick to do, it's quick to apply, quick to rub in, and then I follow it up with the Sugar Advanced Therapy treatment on my lips before I apply like any form of Carmex or Vaseline, whatever is your preference. This came for a few of y'all, and I'm trying to tell you, I'm just trying to be that friend who's being honest. But some people's lips be looking real crusty. After my morning routine or my night routine, I always spray my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray. I have a green bottle, a purple bottle, this pink bottle. I think I have all the bottles that he came out with, but this is just a good spray. Like, there's no real reason. I feel like I'm actually doing a skincare routine after I spray this, and it's also very inexpensive.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste
and you want to see a specific video from me, do not hesitate to just ask. Leave me a comment below. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Share this video with your family, your mom. My mom watches my videos. She likes them. Y'all know how that goes. But yeah, we'll have more time to talk. I am in a completely different space. Like, your girl's about to be 25 next month, in a few days actually, and it's actually a lot. But I'm excited for this whole journey, and I'm thinking about taking you guys on, you know, doing some vlogs. Like, I'm thinking about doing vlogs, cooking, fitness, because I need to get back into that. And yeah, it's just gonna be an exciting year, and I'm just excited. So you guys, if you're excited, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video.